Welcome to a video demo of Foundry ELecRoc 6, a state-of-the-art JDF PDF prepress workflow developed by Beijing Foundry Electronics, one of the largest electronics companies in China. So ELecRoc is a full-featured native transparency PDF workflow, compatible with the latest Adobe Creative Suite applications. And ELecRoc is the most cost-effective solution for those wanting to upgrade or from those wanting to move from an outdated prepress workflow, an outdated version of Pringy, Rampage, or Apogee. ELecRoc is a modular workflow, so you can license only the features you need. Advanced features are available in ELecRoc, such as Eco Ink, an ink-saving feature through four-dimensional CMYK optimization, trapping, SIP34 ink key presetting, advanced and specialty screening for any printing process is available, from offset to gravure to flexo, stochastic and hybrid screening also. And EasyHigh-Tech packages ELecRoc in cost-saving bundles of features. The Java-based Mac and PC GUIs on the clients have an identical, easy-to-use and easy-to-learn GUI. ELecRoc also has built-in imposition, quite similar to Prepress, that's fully functional in each client, thus saving you thousands of licensing costs. ELecRoc also has built-in ICC calibration software, also saving you thousands, and EasyHigh-Tech's installation comes with calibration for your proofing device and press to your choice of an industry standard, such as Graco or G7. Also saving you additional thousands. EasyHigh-Tech will also customize and optimize your workflow to match your production needs as part of our training process, and 24/7 support plans are available. EasyHigh-Tech offers best bang for the buck pricing by far over competing products, with satisfaction guaranteed installations, no risk trials, and available rent-to-own programs. So let's have a look at ELecRoc. ELecRoc is a client-server PDF workflow with a basic architecture that is similar to most modern prepress workflows, such as Kodak Pringy or Fuji XMF. And ELecRoc supports the latest versions of Adobe Creative Suite PDFs. The ELecRoc server is PC-based and the clients are Java-based. And here we're looking at the server through a TeamViewer connection from a Mac. The server runs all the processes, and the hardware on the PC server can be tailored to handle your specific workload. A modest configuration of, let's say, 16 gigs of RAM and a speedy 4-core processor is more than enough to handle the workload of most medium-sized shops. The initial view of the client presents a job list in rows with the attributes and columns that you can sort through and search for. You can access any job from the job list by double-clicking on the job name. Once you have navigated into a job, you have a list of processes, available processes on the left, workflows in the same tab. The main workflow area shows all the processes that you've configured into your workflow, along with their links showing the workflow path of the processing. Some highly repetitive jobs can also be processed in an automated manner with preset jobs and hot folders that will process your input files, such as business cards or a 16-page brochure. As you can see, the files are processing through the PDF generator, and they've been imposed. We can see the result of the imposition of the 16-page brochure. And we also have a PDF merger of the business card. So we have output a PDF, an output PDF that we could perhaps print to a laser printer. At the same time, we can output an Epson proof And at the same time, we have the rasterized 1-bit TIFF files for that business card. Creating individual jobs for each job you're processing allows you to efficiently locate that job, manage its resources and outputs, and manage the archiving and backup of that job. We also have some form printers who have more than 20,000 active jobs live on the ELecRoc server. And this allows them to quickly locate and process repeat jobs. New jobs are created by double-clicking on the New tab, inputting a file name, probably a job number and a customer name. And at this stage, you also have the option of selecting a preset workflow. Once you click OK, the new job opens up with that preset workflow. However, it's quite easy to build a workflow straight from scratch. So let's remove these and do that. First, let's bring in a PDF generator. And while we bring this in, let's select an input file. While the job is processing, let's add probably a commonly next step would be the EcoInk processor. And after that, we could put in a trapper. And once all these files are processed, we could then impose them. So bring in an imposer. Now all these steps are strung together. In the imposer, we're going to choose a binding style, and we're going to select a template. Let's make this a 16-page, 2436 sheet-wise. That looks pretty good. Remove this one, select this one, and make sure we have the naming convention that makes sense to the output surfaces. So these are different files that were processed through the PDF generator. Let's now pass them on to the EcoInk and the trapper. And while this is processing, let's add on a few more steps to our workflow. So we might want to add an absent proofer. And we might want to add a rasterizer. We might want to add a PDF merger and string on to the PDF merger a PDF export module. And we can link all these outputs. Let me just make sure that PDF merger has the right settings. Okay. Now the files, after they've gone through the EcoInk process of the trapping and the imposer, now they are being processed. So we can see the output of the PDF export or the PDF merger. We have the front surface and the back surface. And this is also a PDF that we can open up in Acrobat. Where we can see both the front and the back surface. The job is processing through the PDF rasterizer, and we can view the status of that process by selecting it, and we can tell that the front side has already been made into 1-bit tips, and the rasterizer is now working on the back side. So while this is going on, we can take a look at our rasterizer, where we can look at the TIFF bitmap preview of that actual image of the plates that are going to actually print the job. These are the actual dots that are going to be on your sheet. So you can basically zoom in and out from any point here. You can preview individual separations, or you can take a quick look at the status of your blacks. You also have access to a quick preview at this level of each separation, or any combination of separations. At this stage, the job is fully rasterized, and we've built also a workflow. So it's quite easy to save this workflow and apply it to other jobs by just giving it a name. And then we'll be able to use this workflow, including the template that we've assigned to this imposer, by simply invoking it, because it is now a resource. That is, we can invoke as we create a new job, or at any point within a particular job, by just dragging and dropping it into our workflow. In addition to this easy-to-use feature that allows you to easily create and standardize your workflows, you can also easily create presets for each processor that are accessible through one click. If we go to the PDF rasterizer, we have a few presets that we can invoke with one click that will set up all the parameters for that particular processor. And the administration of these presets is done through the administrator preset, the processor management interface, and the administrator tab, where we can load and save presets. Just change anything and then save it as under a new name. Additionally, you can use the resources administration interface to manage your profiles, to manage your templates, to manage your curves. And you can also create and manage users with different user rights using the administrator tab. You can also use the archive and backup features to archive jobs and create backups of your entire ELecRoc system. Just to recap our demo, let's go over a few of the main features of ELecRoc. As we have seen, the Mac and PC clients have an identical, easy to use and easy to run GUI. Very logical. You just double click on any module and set the parameters. And the ELecRoc has built-in imposition, quite similar to Prepress, that's fully functional in each client, saving you thousands in licensing costs. ELecRoc also has built-in ICC calibration software, also saving you thousands. And EasyEyeText installation comes with the calibration of your proofing design and press, your proofing device and press, to an industry standard of your choice, such as a SWAP or Graphcore G7. EasyEyeText will also customize and optimize your workflow to match your actual production needs as part of our training process. EasyHighTech's 24 support plans are also available. EasyHighTech offers you best bang for the buck pricing by far over any competing product, with customized, satisfaction guaranteed installations, no risk trials, and available rent-to-own programs and cost-saving bundles. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demo video. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Please don't hesitate to call us to schedule a demo with your test files, particularly those files that have been giving you the most trouble. We want to show you how ELecRoc is a solution that fits your needs.